Newport is known around the world as one of the planet's premier beachfront resorts.
With historic mansions, stunning beaches, and some of the best boating opportunities around, Newport puts Rhode Island on the map and then some. In this action-packed episode, climb aboard Rumrunner II, a historic booze-smuggler from the Prohibition days that is also being featured in an upcoming movie.
Speak with America's Cup photographer Cory Silken, as well as the team from Clean Earth Project, before having one of the most incredible automotive experiences you'll ever see.
Photographer Cory Silken is a Newport native who has been capturing the America's Cup and other infamous yacht races for decades.
These boats travel to the most extraordinary yachting destinations in the world, of course, and it's really a great way to combine my love of sailing and appreciation for photography and fine art. There have been numerous occasions when I've been on boats that were sinking or boats that had fuel leaks. Being in Newport is a really great place to be based if you love yachting. Certainly it's one of the yachting capitals of the world, and we just have such a fantastic mix of boats here.
Down the street, Clean Earth Project recycles ocean trash into beautiful pieces of fashion, while educating visitors on how to make the planet a healthier place.
We're an apparel-based store, and through the sales of our apparel, we put on beach cleanup events, even parks and everything. So we have Garbo grabbers that we provide all of our volunteers with. And basically we're just trying to make our community as excited about cleaning the earth as we are. Our company actually has collected 107,621 pounds of litter to date. Everything on this table is 100% recycled from plastic water bottles. Basically, it's melted down into pellets. It's really an awesome process, and then it's like extruded into yarn. Our biggest thing is definitely our trash bagger. There's really nothing else like it out there. It's perfect for kids too. We can get kids as little as like 4 and 5 using those reachers.
Rumrunner II once had 2 aircraft engines to give it enough power to outrun any chasing Coast Guard boat.
Today, she still packs some punch, as we discovered during a mimosa cruise around the bay.
We're currently on the motor vessel, the Rumrunner II. She is a 1929 classic motor yacht that was designed for running alcohol during Prohibition. Today, we're still running alcohol. It's legal, however. We do 5 or 6 trips a day, blow everybody's hair back a little bit, show them what the boat can do. If you've never visited Newport before, it is certainly worth jumping out on the water. Newport was meant to be seen from a water perspective.
Ever toured around in a 1920s convertible? With Newport Classic Cars, you can do just that, as well as so much more.
Stay tuned after this interview to watch James lose his mind.
Yes! Wow. Yes!
If you're here visiting Newport, I would suggest that you do an ocean drive tour the first day. We'll take you everywhere, show you everything to do, everywhere to eat. If you rent one of our vehicles to drive yourself, the first thing you need to do is the 10-mile ocean drive. We have a mileage restriction. It's about 100 miles a day, but yeah, that'll get you all the way to the top of Rhode Island and back, so you can pretty much go anywhere in the state. I wanted to get as close as I possibly could to the Gilded Age, and that feeling of when Newport was really at the pinnacle. The cars behind me they're 2 of my favorites in the fleet. I mean, I love all the vehicles in the fleet, but these are my favorite cars. So the 1924 Studebaker, and then the 2007 Aston Martin V8 Vantage. James, by the way, I wanted to ask you, would you like to take the Aston Martin for a ride? Because I did bring it here for you today.
Yes! Wow. Yes! Oh, sick, yeah. So let's go.
See yourself living in Newport? Contact us today to begin the search for your Newport dream home.